How to download games on laptop for free? First of all, you will have to open the Microsoft Store on your PC or laptop. You can simply type in the source field for Microsoft Store and you can open it from here. So simply you have to open the Microsoft Store. Alright, so after opening the Microsoft Store app on your PC or laptop, you have to scroll down and find the options like top free games. So go for the options. So simply click on this. So now from here you can review and download the top most free games that are available for your laptop. So simply you can review it and install it from here. I will choose this from here. So you can see I can download it for free. So simply click on this get option. So after clicking on this get option, you will be able to download the desired game whom you want to download on your PC for free. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and give a big thumbs up to this video and hit the bell icon over there for more short tech tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.